one of the main important factors behind Peirce's semiotic theory of semiosis that I believe is really beneficial to illustrators and designers is the fact that it is based upon a triad. A triadic relationship of the concept to be communicated, how the concept is represented by the graphic designer or illustrator, and the important thing which makes semiosis really important to apply is that semiosis brings the target audience into the semiotic mix. Now, if we as illustrators and designers have semiotically done our job well using effective visual communication, then the audience's interpretation should link back to the intended concept we needed to communicate from our brief. Now, how that concept is represented through the visual language we choose as illustrators and designers ultimately controls how our outcomes are interpreted by our